Hello everyone, and welcome to my redo of the FlyLady system using the 31 baby steps. Today, we are officially on day 19 of the system, and I am very excited about this. I need to address a few things. One, I have read over what we are doing today. And as I sit downstairs in my office, I think of the laundry basket that is heaping with clothes. And I just want to say I am very, very happy that before I started this program, I purchased a 10-pack of brand new underpants because let's be honest, we are on day 19 and nothing has been spoken about of even mumbled about doing laundry. Now I'm also very lucky that it is a chilly spring and a long or 3/4 length shirt was appropriate for today's weather. And I debated today if the FlyLady really in a small way is actually trying to get me to become a nudist. Because I have no clean clothes aside from what I'm wearing. I am really, really down to slim pickings. So I am, fingers crossed, just waiting to be able to do laundry. Because again, I've got a mounded laundry basket. And if you remember back on day, was it 7? I cheated. So I am 12 days past the day I cheated and did all my laundry. No laundry. And guess what we're doing today? We're not doing laundry, but we are going back to her website. So today we are going to read testimonials from her website. She gives a testimonial that brought tears to her eyes, and it's kind of like a little letter that was written to her. I'm not going to read it. I want to be inspired and draw upon her stuff, but I don't want to just share her stuff. I will link it below. Every day we send out testimonials to encourage you. They teach you how the other fly babies in the world are using our system. So today I am going to get rid of the negative voices and the fact that I don't have clean laundry and that I'm probably gonna have to cheat the system again soon, tells me that I just have to get rid of the negative voices. That is that, again, we're on day 19. My frustration is starting to boil over. I have cheated several times. I've done extra cleaning. I've done things that weren't on the list yet to make myself feel better. But the baby steps as written, there's some things that have to be changed. For somebody that has already had a routine, and I interpreted this system as something that would help me maybe just develop a new system, a new, quicker, more efficient way of cleaning. And so far it's actually just kind of frustrated me in certain senses. So get rid of that negative self-talk. We've done that on one of the days early on. And I am going to focus on what I love about this system. And that is that I do 15 minutes a day of decluttering. And I know I've said it the last few days, but that is like, to me, such a big, awesome deal. So that is what I'm down in my office. I'm in the cleanliest part of the office, the part that doesn't get a bunch of clutter, and I am going to do another 15 minutes of decluttering. Then I'm going to be doing my 5-minute room rescue, and I'm going to be probably doing that in this area as well. The sink is shined, and I have a 2-minute hot spot, which I'll do in my kitchen, and then I'll have another 2-minute hot spot this evening, which I think I will do in our main living room. So let's get to it.